Hello and welcome to the March Network's solution for critical infrastructure protection. What we're going to talk about today is how well we do telecollaboration as well as mass notification integrated with March Network's command software. The idea is very simple. We want to have better decisions and faster response. So I'm going to walk you through very quickly what we are typically considering as a platform for a supervisor or an operator in a control center viewing a situation in a critical infrastructure setting. So what you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, are a video management system, some videos, a map of sorts, and maybe some other materials that are pretty much tracking analytics. So what we see here is a typical thing where if the analytics, for example, trigger something of interest, we could basically get communication between the field and the supervisor. For example, what if we actually simulate an incident by covering up the camera? So we'll cover up the camera, thank you very much. And after a little while, what will happen is our phones will ring because there is an alarm that's set. And we will be in conference between my assistant and a few others with me, and we can discuss the situation. For example, left baggage. Another example, so that goes to call. And for example, if the situation goes and needs escalation, a discussion further with, let's say, headquarters or policy decisions to deploy, shall we say, more resources or different types of resources or getting different divisions or departments to work together, we could visually integrate what we see with other people. So for example, we're going to make a call to headquarters. So let's make a call. So you can see that we're actually selecting a location and we've made the call. And hello, Scott. How are you?
Hello, Robert. How are you? I'm well, thank you.
Very good. I'm not sure if the people can hear you, but I definitely can. So that's Scott, and you can see me in the background where I'm presenting. So that simulates basically two different locations. And basically, why did I call Scott? Scott actually has no idea why I called him. So I need to share with him what I'm seeing as a situation. So, for example, let's share our video then. There we go. We're sharing our video. And from Scott's perspective, he's seeing now what I see. So if you actually look over there, you see what Scott sees. Scott's on the phone, he sees me trying to talk to you guys, so maybe I'll look into the camera and say hi. And basically on his right-hand side further on in that big wall is basically the screen in which I'm looking at. So what I'm going to do right now is make changes to that screen. Maybe I'll take away a camera perhaps. Let's say, there we go. You see him seeing what I do. In essence, he sees what I see what he sees, I know what he sees, he knows what I see, so we can actually communicate better. In short, we can make better decisions, we're collaborating. Furthermore, I can actually give control to Scott. So in this case, for example, I'm allowing Scott to take control. There we go. Maybe Scott can remove about two or three videos. Scott, would you mind? Let's see, he's going to remove one. There we go. And maybe another one. There we go. And so when he removes that, he's actually controlling my desktop from far away. So this is another type of collaboration. Last but not least, we can also do it on an iPad. Perhaps we can pan back over here. So on an iPad, we can basically see that we can have two options. One of the options is basically looking at the different types of command mobile video. And on command mobile video, as it downloads, it takes a little bit of a download due to the capacity. And we should be able to see some pictures. Maybe I'll do a shortcut. There we go. Some pictures of all the various cameras around us. So we can basically look at this pre-compiled video. Hopefully it comes through all right. There you go, some pictures. It's actually some pictures moving, low frame rate, but it gives the field staff an impression of what's going on. But that's what the field staff see in cameras. What's more important, actually, is when the field staff goes and tries and log on. So, my name, Robert, and an access code. That is set every session. So, we're going to see what the access code is. The access code is 9076. 9076. And we'll log on. And what it will show, actually, is basically what your boss sees. So what is seen in the supervisor as well as those in headquarters. And that is the impression, as you can see. Look at that. Look at this. Okay? That's pretty much what we get. In essence, what we've shown you is the ability to communicate between the field and the supervisor and headquarters, and also from the headquarters and the supervisor to the field, being able to see what the office sees, to understand the priorities, to understand the decisions, make better decisions, and react faster. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much in a nutshell what we have today in critical infrastructure with March Networks. Thank you and have a good day.